That error, Roblox error code 529, usually means there's a temporary connection or server issue between your device and Roblox's servers. It's quite common and can often be fixed in a few quick steps. Here's what to do. First, close and reopen Roblox. Completely close the Roblox app or browser tab, reopen it and try joining the game again. 2. Check Roblox server status. Sometimes the issue is on Roblox's side, not yours. Search Roblox server status on Google or visit status.roblox.com. If servers are down, just wait until Roblox fixes it. Third, restart your internet. Turn off your Wi Fi or mobile data for a few seconds, turn it back on, and then reopen Roblox if possible. Switch to a more stable connection. 4. Clear Roblox cache windows. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %/Roblox and press enter. Open the folder and delete the cache folder, restart Roblox. Fifth, update Roblox. Open the Microsoft Store if on Windows and check for updates. If you're using mobile, go to the App Store or Play Store and update Roblox. 6. Check date and time settings. Make sure your device's date and time are set correctly. Wrong time zone can cause connection issue. 7th, try logging out and back in. Tap on your Roblox profile, log out, then log in again and try joining the game. 8th, uninstall Roblox. Last resort. Uninstall Roblox completely, restart your device, reinstall the app and sign back in.